What's up, y'all? It's been a minute. It's been a minute since I've been at this spot, and it's also been a minute since I done posted a video. But today I'm back at my spot, man. I'm gonna try to see what I can catch. It's been a good little minute since I've been here. The water's still low as usual, you know what I'm saying? But I think I might have some luck today. I don't know on what, but my goal is to catch either some catfish or striped bass. And I'm using worms and minnows, so I'm gonna keep it simple. And we're gonna try to see what we can get up out the water. I'm gonna have to use my catfish pole. I done lost a couple of poles when I've been fishing lately, but I ain't been getting content with it. But got a bob on here, got the setup like this, and we're gonna try to catch, I guess, whatever bites with these minnows first. So we're gonna give it a shot. Whoa. I'm finna throw my first cast out and see whatever bite it. Oh. Look like I had a bite already, y'all. He took it down all the way. See, there we go again. About to get something. Hopefully my minnow's still on there after that first cast. Cause whatever it was, it took it under the water. Okay, bet. It's still on there, so I might have to just drop it a little low. Slide this up some. Hey, I think that might have been a striped bass, that first cast too. It happened soon, I threw it in there too. I hate I ain't get it, whatever it was. And I normally fish with 2 poles or something like that, but today I'm keeping it at 1. That's crazy. I want to know what that was. Look like it's something down toward that way. I seen that water move. Hopefully I get me a monster fish, man. Something big. I want me a big catfish. That's what I'm trying to catch. Might have to throw those worms up in there for that. But then again, they be biting these minnows too. But I always seem to get, okay, I got something. Well, I always seem to get a stripe off of these minnows, which I got right here. Okay, first stripe of the day. Pretty nice size to it. Okay, got us a stripe, man. That's what I'm talking about. I ain't caught one of these bad boys in a minute. First catch though, pretty good. That's what I was expecting to catch though. Probably get some more of these today, but we're gonna keep at it. I done have to give me another minnow since I done caught something off of that minnow. Might give me another stripe. I feel like I am. The striped bass normally do real good up in here, so might be a striped bass day. I might catch a couple of catfish here and there, but I don't know how many fish. That's just the fish I caught. They normally be right in here though, 2 though, but I'm getting a bite right here. This might be a smaller one. Huh. Well, look at that. Look at that. That's not a stripe. But for sure, that ain't a stripe. Good bass, bro. All right, then. I'll see you. I ain't expect to catch one of these. I didn't even know these was up in here, but that's the second. Man, come on, bro. Hey, we gonna get them this time. Oh yeah, we gonna get them this time. tell you? Oh, wow. This a crappie. Wow. I done caught a crappie. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. These minnows gonna come in handy today. First day back in a good minute, and look what I'm doing, man. So far, I done got 3 different species. That's what's up. Got my first crappie in a long time, since April, too. Okay, bet. Looks like we're getting a little action over there. Gotcha. Oh, it was a catfish, y'all. It was a small catfish. I saw it when I brought it above the water. I don't need that. So, we gonna see what this one brings in. Okay. Golly. This might be a stripe, I believe. It gots to be. Look how he fight me. I think this is, yep, it's a stripe. Yeah, golly. It's big too, man. Cause that's a bigger stripe. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Big old stripe, big dog. Try to get us another one. Well, I wasn't having much luck over here with any more bass and stuff, so now I'm switching up, putting a worm on the hook. It's a small hook, cause I know it's probably gonna be some small catfish, but I'm just really trying to catch a couple of catfish. But normally in this spot, it'd be a whole bed of little catfish, so we're gonna see what's going on, see how long it takes for me to get a catch. So yeah, the rest of this video may be just small catches. Real small. Look, I'm getting some already. That might be a small catfish. What'd I tell you? A baby catfish, boy. And they all up in this area. So that's all I'm gonna be pulling out the rest of this video. Cause that's all I catch over here on this side is small catfish. I'm gonna cast it out there again, man. They turn these worms up, whatever it is. Can't even get them in. That's a bluegill, y'all. So I knew it was gonna be a possibility that I caught a bluegill or a catfish or something. Small bluegill, he real small too. Let's throw that back out there. So I may lose half of the fish that I think I'm gonna catch because this hook's so small, but I'm really trying to catch me a bluegill or a smaller catfish. There go a smaller catfish maybe. Oh no, that's a drum, bro. I done caught some of everything. Got us a drum now on the worm with this small hook, which I do not recommend for nothing other than bluegills. Got me a drum. Dang. I guess I'm gonna call it a day. Y'all stay tuned for more videos, and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. But right now they biting slow, so I ain't gonna sit here much longer, cause I ain't caught nothing all this time. It's been what, 3 hours, 4 hours now. I done got like what, 4, 5 catches, 3, 4, 5. Well, I'm about to get one more hopefully before I leave. But yeah, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. Until then, the next video, man.